Welcome to this global overview of the French cover bond legislation. My name is Jennifer Levy. I am Senior Cover Bond Analyst at Natixis. 3 cover bond issuing structures exist in France today. Société de Crédit Foncier, SCF, dedicated to the issuance of cover bonds named Obligations Foncières. Société de Financement de l'Habitat, SFH, used for the issuance of Obligations de Financement de l'Habitat. And Caisse de Refinancement de l'Habitat, CRH. It is a duly licensed specialized credit institution which acts independently and is distinct from the banking groups which are being financed. There are some differences between the SCF, SFH, and CRH cover assets. SCF's cover pool can consist of residential mortgage loans, guaranteed home loans, public exposures, and commercial real estate loans. Whereas SFH and CRH can only include residential mortgage loans, guaranteed home loans, or loans guaranteed by the GAS, Fonds de garantie à l'accession sociale, in their cover pool. The rules for property valuations are the same for SCF, SFH, and CRH, and are in line with the Article 129 of the CRR. 60% LTV for commercial mortgage loans, 80% LTV for residential home loans, and 100% LTV in the case of loans guaranteed by the GAS, Guarantee Fund for Social Home Accession. Regarding valuation methods, different options are available. Full valuation, use of statistic methods. That depends on the property use, the loan size, and the property value. For statistical methods, notably used for residential properties, the real estate values are based on the index provided by INSEE, Institut National de la Statistique et des Études Économiques, or on the index provided by notaries, PERVAL. The real estates are assessed on an annual basis. The issuer must communicate the valuation methods used to the specific controller and publish this information in the annual reports. In terms of geographic exposure, CRH assets must only be located in France. Regarding the SFH and the SCF, commercial mortgages and residential home loans can be located in the European Economic Area or in a state benefiting from the highest level of credit assessment according to the recognized rating agency. Exposure to public entities in SCF cover pool must be located within the European Economic Area, or if they are not located in the European Economic Area, such public entities must comply with specific limits and level of credit assessments given by an external rating agency recognized by the ACPR. French issuers must comply with a minimum over-collateralization of 5% on a nominal basis. The level of over-collateralization must be declared by the cover pool monitor to the French regulator, ACPR, on a quarterly basis. To mitigate liquidity risk, issuers must hold a liquidity buffer composed of liquid assets available to cover the maximum cumulative net liquidity outflow of the cover bond program for the next 180 days. Natural matching is also required. The weighted average life of assets should not exceed that of cover bonds by more than 18 months. Regarding the maturity structure, hard bullet, soft bullet, and conditional pass-through format are allowed. However, the amended French cover bond law defines 2 objective triggers for cover bond maturity extension. They should avoid the risk of premature extension. The first one is if an issuer or sponsor bank falls into insolvency or resolution, or on decision of France's Prudential Regulation Authority if the issuer breaches the 180-day liquidity coverage requirement for cover bonds. French cover bond issuers must appoint a cover pool monitor with the agreement of the ECPR. To ensure his independence, the specific controller cannot be an employee of either of the SCF, SFH, or CRH statutory auditors, of any companies that control the SCF, SFH, and CRH, or any company directly or indirectly controlled by a company that control SCF, SFH, and CRH. The mission of the specific controller includes the following verification: that all assets granted or acquired by the SCF, SFH, and CRH are eligible to the cover pool, and in the case of mortgage assets, that they are properly valued. That the coverage ratio is at any moment at least at 105%. That the SCF, SFH, CRH comply with all the limits required by the regulation. For instance, the limit of the loans guaranteed by a credit institution or an insurance company, or the limit on the replacement assets. That the adequacy of maturities and interest rates of assets and liability is at a satisfactory level. The specific controller checks the different quarterly indicators before sending them to the ECPR. That issuers fulfill criteria to obtain cover bond labels, and that in general the SCF, SFH, CRH complies with the law and regulation. The French cover bond law complies with the requirement of the EU cover bond directive. All French cover bonds are fulfilling criteria provided in Article 129 of the CRR, as their cover pool include residential home loans, commercial mortgage loans, or public loans. Therefore, French cover bonds issued by SCF, SFH, CRH are qualified to use the European Cover Bond Premium label. Thank you.